Okay, I'm working on a project, and I tried this before, but I didn't use epoxy, and so it kind of ruined it. I think I used like a top coat, and it didn't work. So I live near the lake, and I thought it'd be neat because I miss it. Well, I miss the lake because we don't own property near the lake, so I kind of wanted to bring it into my house somehow. And so I decided that I would put stones all over here and then use the epoxy. So I picked tiny stones because even if one sticks up, that layer of epoxy is going to have to be taller than that one stone that sticks out. So I'll be really carefully setting them in here. But we'll give it a try and see how it goes. I picked up shells. I tried to find some lucky stones, which we have around here in the Finger Lakes area. Okay, so now I'm going to pour a small amount of epoxy and just do like the first layer because it's going to need to be done in layers. Okay, so for my epoxy, I use the Famowood, and there's a lot of different kinds, but I've kind of practiced with this so much I kind of know how it works. And so here's my mixture. I've mixed it for 6 minutes, and then you put it into a different container, and then you mix it again for 6 minutes. It's very tiring, but that's how you gotta do it. Now I'm gonna try to spread it all around. This isn't really even enough, so I'll probably make another jar like this and do it again. But I might just wait till this dries because then it would be an uneven dry amount. It'll soak down, it'll spread in the bottom, I'm hoping. They're going to move around a little bit, but I don't know, I might just mix up another hole. I think I'm just going to mix up another one because I really think it needs it right now. Okay, so I mixed up a huge amount, and one thing that I forgot, but my husband so graciously helped me with while he's cooking over there, because I can't, is a leveler. So you take the level, and I have a big one like this, and then you could just set it down and you make sure it's all level before you start putting the epoxy in there. See, here is good cooking. So here we go. Let's hope this was good enough. And I'm hoping I glued enough right in the beginning there so it's not leaking out the sides. Ugh, that'd be a disaster. And this is just the first one, so it doesn't have to be fully all over. But you can look and see which rocks are sticking up, because you're going to have to either take them out or you're going to be putting a lot of epoxy on this. This little... And our local lake is known for lucky stones, so I always make sure I have my lucky stone in here. Now's the time to take them out, because you aren't going to be able to afterwards. And then you fill in or add more. Get down eye level and make sure nothing's sticking up too high. Okay, so some people use a torch, but I'm worried about this wood being so old, and I'm just going to use this little grill lighter, and you go over and it pops bubbles. I really think a torch works the best, but I just can't take that chance right now. And this is also, again, the first level, so not big deal. And plus it's a lake, so if there's bubbles in it, it might actually look good. Okay, so I painted my little minnows. I waited 24 hours after my first pour. Everything looks good. And now I'm going to do my second pour. Hopefully I won't have to do a third, but we'll see. I don't know. I might have to mix one other one. Doesn't look like it's going to be enough. So I better get started right now because I don't want to wait another 24 hours. Okay, so I quickly, well, I mean, as quick as you can, because you have to definitely mix this properly or it's going to stay sticky and you'll be doing another layer. But, okay, I got it ready. I'm going to do a little of this because get out any of the bubbles and then maybe heat it up a little bit because it's been sitting here for 12 minutes. Should be fine. I guess we'll find out. Just trying to look for any spots where the rocks are sticking up.
Looking good.
I tried real hard to get a rock not to show up too much, but I see a few, and I probably have to do another coat.